Hello, welcome to My Little One's Name. Today, I've got 15 names inspired by animals that can fly. Birds, a butterfly, and honeybees. When I am referring to how many girls and boys were given a specific name, I am making reference to statistics collected by Social Security in the United States, specifically the data from 2020. Let's get started. First up for the week is Vanessa. Vanessa is a traditionally female name. The backstory to Vanessa is interesting, so definitely check it out if you're interested. Some say the name is of Greek origin and means butterfly, while others say that Vanessa is a literary invention. Either way, Vanessa was given to more than 1,300 girls in 2020. The spelling variation, Vanessa, was given to 8 girls. Moving along to hawk. Hawk is of English origin and relates to the bird. Hawk was given to slightly less than 50 boys and to 0 girls. The spelling variation, Hawke, was given to 15 boys in 2020. The third name for today is Wren. Wren is a gender-neutral name of English origin and means small bird. Wren was given to 850 girls and to 150 boys. Wrenn, an alternative spelling, was given to 33 girls and to 9 boys. Wren was also combined with Lee. For example, Wrenley was given to 290 girls and to slightly more than 10 boys. Alternatively, Wrenlee was given to 90 girls. Another spelling option, Wrenleigh, was given to 30 girls. So there are quite a few options to choose from here. Next up is Finch. Finch is of English origin and was given to 15 boys in 2020. Finch seems to have a few meanings, one of which relates to the songbird. Moving right along to Jonas. Jonas is a traditionally male name of Hebrew origin and means dove. Jonas was given to a little more than 600 boys in 2020. Up next is Sparrow. Sparrow relates to the bird and is of English origin. A gender-neutral name, Sparrow was given to more than 50 girls and to 15 boys. The seventh name for the week is Robin. Robin is a gender-neutral name of English origin and has a few meanings. Some of the meanings are famed, bright, and relating to the bird. Robin was given to more than 275 girls and to more than 250 boys in 2020. Moving along to Lark. Lark is of English origin and relates to the songbird. Lark is a gender-neutral name and was given to less than 60 girls and to 6 boys. Larke was given to 5 girls. Up next, we've got Callum. Callum means dove and is of Scottish origin. Callum was given to more than 950 boys, placing the name in the top 500 at place 335. The 10th name for the day is Beckett. Beckett is a gender-neutral name of English origin. Beckett has a few meanings, including beehive, bee cottage, and dweller by the brook. Beckett was given to a little less than 100 girls and to slightly less than 1,800 boys in 2020. Beck, B-E-C-K, is a potential nickname option here. As a first name, Beck was given to slightly more than 20 girls and to a little under 200 boys. Moving along to Arden. Arden is a gender-neutral name and means Valley of the Eagle. Of English origin, Arden was given to 234 girls and to more than 150 boys. Ardyn is one spelling variation and was given to a little more than 20 girls and a little less than 20 boys. Next up, we've got Raven. Raven relates to the bird and is a gender-neutral name. Raven was given to more than 730 girls and to slightly less than 40 boys. As a girl's name, Raven is in the top 500 at place 418. Moving on to Melissa. Melissa means honeybee and is of Greek origin. The traditionally female name was given to a little more than 880 girls in 2020. Our second to last name for the week is Gavin. Gavin means white hawk. Gavin is a traditionally male name and was given to more than 2,500 boys, placing the name in the top 150 at place 141. Gavyn, one spelling variation, was not nearly as popular and was given to less than 60 boys. Alternatively, Gaven was given to 24 boys. Another option, Gavan, was given to 7 boys. The last name for today is Mavis. Mavis is a traditionally female name of French origin and means songbird. Mavis was given to 321 girls and to 0 boys. There we have it, 15 names inspired by animals that fly, including birds, a butterfly, and honeybees. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't for more baby names in your near future. See you guys next week!